This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a doctor before making major dietary changes. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate only vegetables for an entire week? Would you lose weight, feel healthier, or just end up constantly hungry? Well, today, we're breaking it all down. What happens inside your body, the benefits, the downsides, the myths, the truth, and whether this is something you should actually try. Stick around because the results might just surprise you. Hello and welcome to Curiosity Satisfactions. So you've started to eat only vegetables. On first 2 days, your body is like, wait, where's the protein? The carbs? The sugar? You may start feeling bloated due to sudden increase in fiber intake. By third day, your body starts adjusting. Digestion improves, your energy stabilizes, and cravings start fading. It's about fifth day when the magic starts to happen. Your skin may start clearing up, you start feeling lighter, and you might lose a few kgs. Now let's talk benefits. Eating only veggies for a week has some serious perks. Improved digestion. Vegetables containing high fiber gives a happy gut. Potential weight loss. Vegetables have lower calories and more volume. More nutrients. Some vegetables are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and minerals like potassium. Better hydration. Most veggies are water-rich. Reduced inflammation. Antioxidants help fight oxidative stress. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here's where things can go south. Nutrient deficiencies. Eating only vegetables can cause lack of protein, vitamin B12, and healthy fats. Muscle loss. Not enough protein can break down muscle. Bloating and gas. Too much fiber too fast can cause digestive issues. Blood sugar spikes. Some starchy veggies, like potatoes, can cause fluctuations. Let's bust some common myths. Myth: eating only veggies detoxifies your body. Truth: your liver and kidneys do that. Veggies just support them. Myth: you'll lose weight no matter what. Truth: overeating high-calorie veggies like avocados can prevent weight loss. Myth: a veggie-only diet is sustainable long-term. Truth: it lacks key nutrients like healthy fats and protein. So should you try this? Well, it depends. A week of only veggies can be an interesting experiment, but it's not a long-term fix. Balance is key. What do you think? Would you try an all-veggie diet for 7 days? Let's chat in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, share the video, and subscribe for more awesome content.